Hey Carolyn, your new headlight guard is here. It's time for you to install it.
Oh, okay.
Oh no you don't. Don't just snap your fingers and your headlight guard goes on.
Why not? I've always done that in the past.
Yeah, you snap your fingers and I put your headlight guard on.
Yeah.
Not this time. I want you to show everybody just how easy it is to install this SRC Moto headlight guard on your new G310 GS.
Okay, let's do it.
All right, on the right side of the bike, go ahead and remove the factory 5mm Allen head. You're going to put the right hand bracket in, and you start with the collared washer, the bolt, and a bushing. Place that back in. It hooks underneath the frame. Like that. Yep. Perfect. Now, the reason you only want to take one side off at a time, Carolyn, is so that just in case that headlight shifts in any way, you don't want that thing to, the headlight to have to relocate. So you do it one at a time. All right, you've got the right-hand side on. Go ahead and remove the bolt now from the left-hand side. 5mm Allen head again. Now that the left side is removed, go ahead and put your collar, your bolt, and your bushing.
Got it.
And again, we removed a 5mm factory, and the replacement is 4mm. And make sure she comes up tight. Make sure it's against the frame, and
seems to be.
Snug it up. All right, sport. Start by mounting the rubber foot with a 3mm Allen. First bolt, and now attach that second bolt. And it's just a 3mm Allen button head screw. It holds the foot above the fender. So you got your brackets in.
Yeah.
And now it benefits to put a little moisture on the rubber grommets that hold everything in place, just to make it easy, and snap it in one side at a time. So whichever you're more comfortable with, the right or the left. What's great about the design here is it just makes it so much easier to take on and off for cleaning.
Oh, okay, got it.
There.
Got it? Yeah.
So it snaps in. It's easy to remove. It comes in and out with ease. It looks fantastic.
Yeah, and I really like that you can just pop it off, clean the light, and put it back on.
Right, and you're protecting a pretty expensive headlight there.
Looks
Carolyn,
great.
Would you consider that a top-end rebuild?
Well, I don't know. I'd have to think about it. But but if I can do it, anybody can.
Yeah. Hey, nice job, Carolyn.
Oh, well, thank you. And it looks good.
Yes.
Lots of protection, of course, so we're really happy about that. If you like this kind of video, go ahead and subscribe and maybe hit the thumbs up. Also, check out SRC Moto, whatever motorcycle you ride, and see what kind of parts that they have for your brand of bike. And let them know that the Grand Shamrock Tour sent you.
Hey, Carolyn, was I a good technical advisor?
Oh, the best.
All right.